The following message is transmitted at the request of the Vero Beach Metropolitan Police Department. A hostage situation is occurring at the Faith Hope and Chocolate Candy Store. The suspect, described as a 9-year-old child, has taken 12 people hostage and is armed with an automatic pistol. At least one hostage is believed to have been exterminated. Motive towards this attack and his demands are currently unknown. For your protection, no traffic is being allowed within a 1/2-mile radius of this store. The SWAT team has been dispatched and will be dealing with this situation. Stay tuned to local news media outlets for the latest details on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida Health Department and the Florida State Police Department. At 3:46 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an unknown but extremely dangerous infection has been detected. It is believed that this was released by a child who took hostages at the Faith Hope and Chocolate Candy Store in Vero Beach. The suspect and hostages have been confirmed as a result. However, this infection has then spread throughout Indian River and Brevard counties. About 32 deaths have occurred as a result of this infection within the last 2 hours. All residents of the affected counties are encouraged to remain indoors, if at all possible. If you must go outside, wear a mask, or put a cloth up to your nose to prevent yourself from catching this infection. Traveling is highly discouraged at this time. Stay tuned to local TV and radio stations for further messages and information on this situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Several outbreaks of an unknown disease was reported throughout the country. Over 6,000 people have now been confirmed dead. All residents of the United States are now advised to move indoors and keep all doors and windows closed. Wear masks or cloths to prevent yourself from catching this infection. If you show symptoms of this infection, get medical attention immediately. Symptoms of this infection include nausea, vomiting, paleness of skin, and unconsciousness. Again, if you experience any of these symptoms, get medical attention immediately. Tune your battery-powered radio to 770 AM for further emergency information and instructions. The President of the United States is currently en route to a secure location and will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular program at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public. This is WTVJ. We will continue to serve the Miami-Fort Lauderdale area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Miami-Fort Lauderdale area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.